If you're experiencing a tracking error on your Convoy 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check GPS signal. Ensure that the device has a clear view of the sky to receive a strong GPS signal. Move to an open area if necessary, as obstructions can interfere with tracking. Step 2. Restart the device. Power off the Convoy 2026 completely and then turn it back on. This can reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the tracking error. Step 3. Update software. Check for any available software updates for your device. Keeping the firmware up to date can resolve bugs and improve tracking accuracy. Step 4. Calibrate the device. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in lead databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to customer support for further assistance. They can provide specialized help in troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the tracking error on your Convoy 2026 quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.